Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Remitly. So as you know, Remitly is it's an international money transfer service, so you can send money internationally to more than 130 countries using Remitly. So if you want to send money or use Remitly, so what you can do is firstly open up an account on Remitly. So Remitly, it's pretty easy and straightforward, so you don't need anything. It's actually free to sign up on Remitly, so you can just open up an account with your details, with your personal details. You can just open it up. So once you've opened it up, log into your account. So I have already created my account, so I'm just logged in. So once you've logged in here, so what you're going to do, if you click on this my Remitly option here, you can check or edit your profile information here, and then you need to provide your ID and all those informations here. So once you provide that, your account will be verified. So once you provide all your details here, so your account will be verified. So and then once your ID has been verified, then you will get this verified tick there, which means you are now free to make any transactions and everything. So you can do that. And then you can also add your payment details. So when you make a transaction, or when you use, how do you want to pay on Remitly, so you can basically click on payment methods and then add your payment method, like how do you want to make. So whether it's your credit cards or your bank account, so you can just choose and then add it. So once you're done setting up all this, so now what you can do is you can easily like send money using this Remitly. That's easy. So what you have to do, if you want to send money, just hit on the top left here and then choose the country. Simply choose the country where you want to send it to. Now once you've chosen that, hit on send money, and then you can add in the recipient. Alright, so add in the recipient details, so whom you're going to send the money to, so add in their details here. Alright, so once you're done, once you're on this page here, so now choose how do you want, like, so if you want to send money to someone, you can choose how do you want them to receive your money. Are you sending it to their bank, so you can just deposit to their bank. So whether how the receiving works is that you choose how do you want the receiver to receive your money, whether through digital way, for example, like you can deposit in their straight away to their debit card, or to their bank account, or in any other mobile money like Gcash and something like that. Or you want to just ask them to just pick it up, cash pickup or home delivery. So you can just choose how the receiving options. There are a wide range of receiving options based on your location, and you can just choose that. And then once you're done with that, so and then all here, just type in the amount that you wish to send. Okay, and then click on continue, and then all you have to do is just complete the transaction, and that will money will be sent instantly. It's pretty easy and straightforward. And also you have the options to get rewards here based on how your frequency you're using. So Remitly will reward you based on how you're using it, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty easy to use, and it's instant transfer. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.